exercise number 5.2. Say true or false. That is, January is the first month of the year. So is it January is the first month of the year? That is true. So in the book you can make a note down, first month of the year. That is true. And the next one is March is in between September and November. Second one is March is in between September and November. That is false. And third one, the last month of the year is July. That is also false. Last month of the year. July. False. February has 30 days. It is false because February has 28 days. And April is the successive month of May. April is the successive month. Successive means next month. Successive month of May. That is false. Then write the missing month. They are given missing month June, July. They are given June after dash. You can write July. Then March, April they are given March, April and dash dash. So after the March and April, May and June. And after this dash October and November. So October before you can write September. Okay children, so that's all in exercise 5.2. Now we are going to read out about the time. Look at the clock. You can know the clock. So clock நம்ம வந்து எல்லாருமே பார்த்திருக்கோம். So daily we have been seeing the clock. Without seeing the clock, we can't say the time or everything. So we need a clock to do each and every work. So you know how to draw a clock. So in the clock it has the numbers from 1 to 12. Okay, so you have seen the clock here. So it has numbers. It has the numbers from 1 to 12 on its face. And it has 3 hands. So we'll draw a clock in this side. So this is the clock. So just roughly I am drawing. You can use any bangles or anything like that. 12, 6 and 3 and 9, 4, 8 and 10 and 11. So you know this is the clock. So the clock has got 2 hands. The shorter hand is the hour hand. This is the shorter hand and this is the long hand. So shorter hand is, this is the time. Page number 69. Page number 69. So the shorter hand is the hour hand. And longer hand is minute hand. So shorter hand is hour hands and the longer hand is the minutes hand. And red color hand is the seconds hand. And here one more smaller hand is here. Okay, here one smaller hand will be here. So this hand is the second hand. Orange color hand is second hand. Okay. So shorter hand, this is shorter hand is the hours hand, and longer hand is the minute hand, and this orange color hand is the seconds hand. So you can draw a clock and you can say the time also. Here in this, on the next page, they are given the time. Here now what's the time here? Shorter hand is 11 and the longer hand is 12. This is the hour hand. So you can say 1 hour, 2 hours. Small hand வந்து 11 ல இருந்தா 11 hours, 10, 12, 1, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So smaller hand எந்த நம்பர்ல இருக்கோ, so அங்க என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கோ, that we have to say 11. This is the minutes. What is this? Shorter hand is the, so this one is the minutes. Longer hand 12 இருந்தாக்கா 60. This is 1 வந்து 5 and 2 is 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So ஒவ்வொன்றையும் 5 கவுண்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and 55 minutes. And here 60 சொல்லும்போது 60 minutes சொல்லக்கூடாது. You have to say 11 o'clock. Small hand வந்து 11ல இருக்கு, long hand வந்து minutesல இருக்கு. அப்போ 11, 60 minutes you should say. When it comes to the 12, you have to say 11 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. So suppose the hand will be like this. இப்போ எப்படி இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. Shorter hand is 4 and the longer hand is 12. You have to say 4 o'clock. So 1க்கு நேரம் இருந்தால் you have to say 4, 5. So இப்போ 4, 5. Sorry. So 4, 5, 2ல இருந்தால் 4, 10, 3ல இருந்தால் 4, 15, 4ல இருந்தால் 4, 20, 5ல இருந்தால் 4, 25, 6ல இருந்தால் 4, 30. So like that you say each one will be minutes as 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 20, 25, like that only 60 minutes will be. Okay, here in this activity, how many minutes will you take to do these activities in your home? Boiling 1 liter of water, how many minutes it will take? You ask your mother, she will say correctly. And filling a tub, by opening a tap water and small tub, you can fill it and see the time, how much time it will take. And cleaning your bedroom, you have to clean and arrange the bedroom, how much time it will take, you can see the clock. Okay, now let us know. Here they are given the clock, 3 o'clock. Small hand is 3 and longer hand is 12. So the time is 12:15. And next one is 12ல இருக்கு, small hand and longer hand is the 6. So 6ல இருந்தா 5 minutes, 6 5s are 30. So time is 12:30. Here we will see this now. Now you see time, page number 70. Page number 70. In this they are given the clock. So idla eppdina 12. You can draw the clock. Eppdi varanjingna, this will be easy for you easily to draw the clock. 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now they are given the time as small hand is 12. Small hand வந்து 12ல இருக்குது and here big hand is 3. So the time is 12:15. 12:15. Small hand, short hand and the longer hand. Short hand வந்து 12 இருக்கா, so 12 and 3 வந்து minute hand, long, that is 5. 1 5 சொல்ல, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 12:15. Okay, now this one again, one more clock we have to draw. So 12, 6, 9, 10, So this is the clock again. So we will draw this. Next one is 12:30. Small hand is 12 and big hand is 6. And then here 1:45. 12:45. So the time is 12:30 and here it is 12:45. So the time is hours and minutes. Hours, minutes. This is hours and this is minutes. Okay, 12:15. So இது எப்படி சொல்லலாம்? Quarter past 12. What you can say? Quarter past 12. And this one is 12:30. And this one is 1:45. 1:45. That is quarter past 12, not 12:15. 12:30 is 12:30. 12:45 na 1:45. அப்போ 1 o'clock இன்னும் 15 minutes இருக்கு. So that you can say the 1:45. Okay children. So this is the clock. So now the next one, exercise number 5.3. So next one is answer the following question. When will you start from home to school? Exercise 5.3, page number 71. Answer the following. When will you start from home to school? So when will you start from home to school? At 8:30 a.m. When will you start? When will you start from home to school? So at what time you are coming to school from home? You have been starting. So 8:30 நிச்சுக்கோங்களேன். 8:30 a.m. So morning under a.m. you have to write. When will you reach school? At what time or 5 minutes you can put. When will you reach school? At 8:35 or 5 minutes வச்சுக்கோங்க. 8:35 a.m. How much time will it take to reach the school? How much time will you take? How much time will it take for you to reach the school? How much time will it take for you to reach the school? So 8:30 you are starting and 8:35 you are coming. That is 5 minutes. Then when will you reach the school if you delay by 10 minutes? When will you reach? If you are starting from 8:30, if you delay by 10 minutes, at what time you will reach the school? If you delay 10 minutes by 10 minutes. So நீங்கள் 8:30 கிளம்புறீங்கன்னா suppose if it get delayed, so on the 8:30 plus 10 you will get அந்த minutesல 8:40. 30 ஓட 10 add பண்ணிங்கன்னா 8:40. When will you reach the school if you reached only by 5 minutes? When would you reach the school? Suppose if you are coming to the school before 5 minutes, okay, when would you reach? If you start early 5 minutes, that is 8:25 a.m. Okay, then Ravi reaches the school by 8:30. Sixth one is Ravi reaches school by 8:30 a.m. and Prabhu reach after 30 minutes. Find the time when Prabhu reached the school. Find the time. Find the time when Prabhu reached the school. So, Ravi reaches the school by 8:30 a.m. and Prabhu reached after 30 minutes. Even Kalambi 30 minutes Prabhu varum. Find the time when Prabhu reached the school. So, what you have to do in the 8:30 oda 30 minutes நீங்க add பண்ணீங்கன்னா 60 வரும். So, 60 na 60 minutes make 1 hour. அப்போ அது 1 hour கணக்கு எடுத்துக்கணும். அப்போ இங்கே 1 ஆட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா that is 9 hours. Okay, so 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. Okay, listen children, when will you start from home to school? At what time you are coming from home to school? 8:30 a.m. When will you reach the school? 8:30 start பண்ணீங்கன்னா ஒரு 5 minutes you can take a walkable distance, means 8:35 a.m. How much time will it take for you to reach the school? So 8:30 if you start and if you reach the school by 8:35, so it will take only 5 minutes. So you can put 5 minutes. When will you reach the school if you delay by 10 minutes? இப்போ 8:30 if you are starting, if you are delaying by 10 minutes, you know 10 minutes எடுத்துக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா if you add 8:30 a.m. plus 10 minutes, இதுதான் minutes, hours, minutes. So 10 minutes நீங்கள் delay பண்ணிங்கன்னா you will reach the school by 8:40 a.m. And next one is, when would you reach the school if you start early by 5 minutes? Suppose நீங்கள் 8:30 start பண்ணீங்கன்னு first you answer. Suppose if you started before, earlier 5 minutes before, you have to write the time 5 minutes less பண்ணுங்க. 30 லேருந்து 5 less பண்ண, that gives you 8:25 a.m. Next one is, Ravi reaches the school by 8:30 a.m. and Prabhu reach after 30 minutes. So Ravi 8:30 போகிறான். After that Prabhu is coming and join with him. So அந்த 8:30 ஓட நீங்கள் 30 ஆட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா find the time when Prabhu reach the school. So at what time Prabhu will come? If we add it will give 60. So on the 60 minutes now 1 hour it will come. So this gives you 0 and if 8 ஓட அந்த 1 hour add பண்ணா that will be the 9 a.m. Next one is, yeah, they are given the 2 clocks here. First one is from 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock. How many hours it will take? Here I will write B. How long will it take? How long will it take? The hour and to reach to his position. So from 9 a.m. 9 to 6. So how long it will take? 9 hours. And second one, from 10 to 10 hours to 8 hours till 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. That gives you the 10 hours. Okay, from 5 o'clock, 3 o'clock, that gives you 10 hours. Okay, that is morning 9 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock. How many hours? You can count 9 after 10, 11, 12. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That gives you the 9 hours. Then after that from 10 o'clock to 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. So that gives you also the 10 hours. That is after 10, 11, 12. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That gives you the 10 hours. And from 5 hours to 3 hours, so morning 5 in the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then 3 o'clock, that gives you the 10 hours. So this is the exercise sums from the book, page number 71. Okay, so go through this exercises and answer all the questions. Okay, we'll see you in the next class, children.